Let's start with the truth. The hard, bitter truth. You are your biggest enemy. Not them, not the ones who lied to you, betrayed you, or left you bleeding in the dirt. No, it's you. You're the one who let their words get inside your head, who let their actions define your worth. You're the one who sat there paralyzed while the world ripped you apart. You're the one who put up the white flag and surrendered before the fight even began. You see, people don't care about you. They care about what you can give them, your time, your energy, your loyalty. And when they've sucked you dry, they toss you aside like yesterday's trash. That's the cycle. That's the reality. And the old you, that sucker believed in them, trusted them, loved them. That's why the old you has to die. You want to know why they'll hate the new you? Because the new you won't need them. The new you won't beg for their validation, won't chase after their approval like a starving dog. The new you will be untouchable, untamed, unapologetic, and that terrifies them. People fear what they can't control, and the new you will be chaos wrapped in human skin. Let me paint you a picture. Imagine this. You wake up one day and everything you once cared about is gone. Every relationship, every attachment, every dream, poof, like it never existed. What's left? You. Just you. Now, that's the moment most people break. They cry, scream, blame the world, but not you. No. You take that emptiness, that void, and you make it your weapon. You think strength comes from happiness, from love? No, strength is forged in pain. It's built in the nights you lie awake staring at the ceiling, wondering why the hell you're still breathing. It's born in the moments you want to give up, but don't. Every scar, every heartbreak, it's all fuel. You take that fire and you let it burn so bright, it blinds everyone who doubted you. Here's the thing though, destroying the old you isn't just about cutting ties or walking away. It's about breaking every habit, every thought, every belief that kept you chained. It's about rewiring your brain piece by piece until the person staring back at you in the mirror is a stranger. Let's talk about kindness. The old you thought kindness was strength. It's not. Kindness is a leash they will tighten around your neck. The new you, be ruthless, be cold. Compassion is for those who have something to lose, and the new you has nothing. Nothing but the will to survive, to dominate, to make them regret every second they underestimated you. You think I'm being harsh? Good. Life is harsh. Reality doesn't care about your feelings. The world will chew you up and spit you out if you let it. But here's the thing. They can only destroy you if you let them. If you let their words get inside your head. If you let their actions define your worth. So don't let them. Build walls so high they can't even see the top. Become so strong, so unshakable that their attempts to break you bounce off like raindrops on steel. You've got to be the storm, kid. The hurricane that tears through everything in its path. And when they come crawling back, because they will, mark my words, they'll find nothing. No trace of the person they thought they could control. No sign of the old you they once knew. Just a shadow, a ghost, a nightmare they'll never escape. Here's the last thing I'll tell you. Change isn't a one-time thing. It's a battle you fight every single day. It's waking up and choosing to be better, stronger, harder. It's refusing to let the old you creep back in. It's looking in the mirror and saying, not today, not ever.
If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Be the best version of yourself. Be unstoppable. Until next time, stay motivated, stay positive, stay awesome. Peace out.